Hi everyone, I'm Melissa, and today we'll make some origami, an origami boat. All you need is a piece of computer paper. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is fold the paper left to right, then rotate it, and fold it left to right again. Then open it. Take the top left corner and line it up to the center line. And do the same thing on the other side. Then take the top bottom flap and fold it up as high as it'll go. Crease it. Then flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Now you're going to put your fingers on the inside, open it, and rotate it. So now you have a square. Make sure this flap is tucked behind the left one, and do it on both sides. Make sure everything's creased. Then take the top flap and fold it up. You want to fold it up about halfway, so you still have some space around here. Then flip it. Do the same thing on the other side. Then you're going to open it and rotate it again. Take the bottom flap, fold it up, not too far. Do the same thing on the other side. Then all you do is take these two flaps and pull them out. And then you'll want to flatten this down. Oops. And you have a boat that will actually float in water. So that's an origami boat. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you next time.